Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to create something unique and fun, a candle-shaped cake. It's a perfect cake to make during this Christmas. You don't have to be a professional baker to make this cake. So, let's get started. Heat some white chocolate with fresh cream to make some chocolate ganache. Here I'm using vanilla sponge cake. You can also try this recipe with chocolate cake and chocolate ganache. Vanilla sponge cake recipe is mentioned in the description box. Add a layer of chocolate ganache in between each piece. Then coat the entire cake with the white chocolate ganache. Once you coat the entire cake with chocolate ganache, refrigerate it for half an hour. Then heat rest of the chocolate ganache to make it into a dripping consistency like this. Then drip it on top of the cake to give a wax effect. Now make a hole in the middle. Insert a candle. And there you have it, a beautiful, realistic candle-shaped cake that's sure to impress. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative recipes. Thanks for watching.